Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to have or to add two columns in your pages on Notion website or the Notion desktop application. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your Notion web portal and connect with your Google account or Apple account, or you can just connect with your email address. Otherwise, you can just start and run your Notion desktop application. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So here in this example, I have just created a new page and an empty page, and I'm going to show you how to add two columns. So the first thing that I want to do is to have or to add a new object or a new block. To do so, we will need to click on this plus sign here that you will find next to the line. You click on it, and here you will find these objects. You will just type columns, and you will have the type of columns that you have in this that you want to have or to create in this page. So basically, I'm going just to create two columns here in my page. And as you can see, now I have two columns in my page. You can resize the columns. Let's just search for this one, or you can do whatever you want with your column. You can add objects in the column, you can add other columns here, etc. The other way to create columns is just to type slash, and you will have the exact same pop-up menu, and search again for two columns, for example, and you will have the two columns option. As you can see, now we have created two columns in our blog. So basically, this is how you can create two columns in your page in Notion application or website. Thank you for watching and see you next time.